Thank you for your patience. I'm back. It was a good test, but I've found out the 7-day absence test didn't improve anything, and that even lowered the overall views. I've received valuable feedback from the visitors that the way I publish tutorials need to improve more. I've learned I have never uploaded a beginner guide set of tutorials in the past, and I realized it would have been difficult for new Blender users to follow my tutorials. Starting tomorrow, I'll start to upload a series of short tutorials made for the new users of Blender. I'll keep them in a new playlist, and ask anyone watching my tutorials to watch the beginner tutorials when needed. Also, I've learned the way I was presenting instructions was not done correctly. For example, if I say, S to scale, I didn't say, S to scale in edit mode after pressing Tab to go into the edit mode. Also, there are Mac users, and the users without numpad on their keyboards. I'm thinking of putting hard-coded subtitle to instruct users to follow, such as, in edit mode, Tab. The hard-coded one won't be vocalized. Thank you again for your patience. So again, starting tomorrow, I'll start making tutorials for new Blender users. They will be divided in parts, and the idea is clone their Blender settings exactly same as mine, so the final renders would look identical. I'll think of more things. Please leave feedback on the comment section below. I'll follow up right away. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.